Hello everyone, my name is Nabila Meladiana. And then today I want to share why I chose informatics as my major. Uh, First, because I'm interested about technology. I think I use technology every day, like smartphone, application, and the internet. That's why I went to know how technology works behind the scenes. And then second, I love solving problem. Informatics is not just about coding. It is also about logical thinking and finding solution. I enjoy challenge. I like it, and informatics give me many opportunity to improve my problem solving skill. And then because technology is evolving so rapidly, almost every field today use technology. So informatics offer many career opportunity. I believe the major can help me prepare for the future. Furthermore, I want to learn programming and develop my digital skill. I hope one day I can create useful application or system that can help people. Although informatics can be challenged, I see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. I'm motivated to continuously improve and develop my skill. So that's why I coach informatics. Thank you.